May good answer po tayo sa tanong ni Sir, based po sa website ni GSIS concerning separation benefits at retirement benefits ni GSIS member. Please watch the full video, sir. Sagutin natin ang question ninyo. Unang-una ang tanong niyo, Sir, makakuha ka pa rin ba ng monthly pension along with separation if more than 15 years of service, then pinili mag-early retire at 50? Answer, yes sir. May basic monthly pension po tayo at age 60 pa po. If mag-retire kayo at age 50 years old but mayroong 15 years of government service or 15 years na remittance ni GSIS or PPP, right? At the same time, sir, meron kang separation benefits. Ano po ito? Please read and i-understand po natin and explain natin simply. If you are ineligible for retirement benefit under Republic Act 8291 because you did not meet the eligibility requirement, you may be entitled to separation benefits in the form of cash payment. By the way po, sa Republic Act 8291 may tatlong requirement po para maka-avail ka ng retirement benefits. Ang ma-remember ko, sir, is dapat 60 years old tayo or more. In your case, hindi ka 60 years old kasi 50 years old ka. Kaya hindi ka mag-qualify muna sa retirement benefits. Kaya po ang matanggap ninyo, sir, separation benefit po. Ayan, nakalagay po, sir, sa your cash payment is computed as follows. Nandyan po sa gitna. Age below 60. Yan, nakita niyo po. Total length of service, TLS, at least 15 years. Pasok tayo dyan, sir. Ang makuha po ninyo na cash payment or amount, 18 times basic monthly pension. So, importante, sir, alam mo yung basic monthly pension ninyo. Pwede kayo magpa-compute sa GSIS or kung alam nyo po ang formula, simple i-compute nyo lang. Or tingnan nyo po sa YouTube channel ko, may nagawa ako na video nito, paano i-compute ang basic monthly pension, or manood din kayo sa ibang content creator na kagaya ko na may same content na GSIS concerns and issues. Yan po. Basta po 18 times po ng basic monthly pension mo, less loan po yan, yan po ang ma-receive nyo outright if mag-separate na kayo sa government agency o company ninyo at age 50. Yes po, hindi po early retirement yan. Ang tawag niyan is separation. So, upon separation, basic monthly pension for life start at age 60. Yung tanong niyo, sir, yung monthly pension, meron kayong ma-receive, sir, pero at age 60 pa po and onwards. Lifetime po yan, sir. Pero mag-start siya at age 60. So, wala ka pang matatanggap na basic monthly pension since 50 years old pa po tayo. Ayan po. I'm sure may plano kang iba. Siguro magnegosyo ka, okay din yan, sir. Or any plans po. Pwede po yan sa inyo. Basta po ang concern natin is yun po ang ma-receive ninyo is separation benefits po. 18 months times basic monthly pension. Yung ano ninyo, yung monthly pension ninyo, sir, is age 60 pa po. Alright? So, hope na nasagot ko yung question niyo, sir. Keep watching my channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.